Hello and welcome back. Sometimes we need the uh, table, the timeline for the project. So today I have a video on the project timelines. To do this, it's pretty much easy in Microsoft Excel. We have a template provided by Microsoft. You can check it in the new. You will have it there, or you can select charts. Maybe here you can find it. There are online charts. So for this example I have this project timeline as a template. What I'll do, I'll select this and create. So depending on the project, on the nature of the project, as you know, project is a temporary work. It will not be permanent. So it will have a start time, it will have an end time, it will have specific targets, and it will have an end date. So some of the projects, it have the after handover support, all the things here you can see. It's a timeline provided. So enter the start date. First, what we will do, we will have a start date when it starts. For example, I will take an example of a project that starts and ends in 1 month. So what I will do here, I have added the date of today, and I will put an end date. So I'll put an end date here. For the end date, I need to select the date equal to today. I'll put today and enter. Then I can add, let's say, 30 days. It's a 30-day project. So today the date is 18 of August, and my end date will be 17 of September. So it's a 1 month project. What I need to do here, I need to add my activities. For example, the first activity that I will have is the design. Let's say it's a road construction project. So I will say the roadmap design. For example, it's planned to be done after 3 days. So here in the date it's given the date of start plus 3. I will put it plus 2. So it will start on 20 of the August. Second one, because this is just a design, when it will end, what I will do, it will take 1 day, for example. So I will do calculation this plus 1 day, and on 21st it will be done. When I come here, you will see here the roadmap design. It will take only 1 day from the start till here. It will be the total start. It will take on 20th and it will finish on 21st. Second one, what you will do, for example, we need the material purchase. So when it will start, so let me put it after this, 1 day after this. So I'll select this plus 1 day. For example, it will be purchased on 22nd, and the purchase will complete in 3 days. So what I'll do here, 22nd plus 3 days. So I will do the purchase. The purchase will come after this on the timeline. For example, beside the purchase, we need to do a parallel work of the excavation. So let's say I need to do the road excavation on the same dates. So I'll copy this and paste it here. So once I paste here, you can see the excavation is also added here. Similarly, because my dates here are far more late, so it is a little bit scattered, and it will become normal once I put all the dates. Task number 4, I will add here, for example, let me add the sidelines construction. Sidelines construction. For example, what I will do here, I will take some date. For example, it's right after the excavation happens. So I'll put 1 day more, and it will end in 5 days. For example, this plus 5, I'll add it here. Similarly, I will add another milestone, the asphalt. For example, asphalt completion. Let's say once the sideline construction is done, I will add this on the second day, and it will take total days of 8. So I added this also. After this, I will have the lighting. For example, I need to do the lighting system. Let's assume it will be done directly after asphalt is done, 1 day after that, and it will take 5 days plus 5. Similarly, the sixth activity or the sixth milestone I will add here is the handover. Once it's done, it will be handed over to the project owner. So what I will do, I will add 48 hours. So I will select 2, and it will take exactly 1 day to complete. So I have done it, and after that I will have the maintenance. For example, we call it the after project support as well. For example, I have the maintenance of this as well, which will start right after the handover is completed, and it will end on the last date of the project. So I have added the milestones here. Let me check it here. So now you will have the roadmap design first, then you will have the purchase, the material purchase, then the road excavation, then the sidelines construction, the asphalt. To go more, I can click on September as well, or I will just click here. I'll come here. You can see the project ends on the 17th on Thursday, and it started on the 18th of the August. So this is how we can create a project timeline easily. You can change anything here, or you can add here. You can change the date. For example, it's finishing after 35 days. So once I come here, you can see it will be shifted this side on 14th. It will finish on the 22nd of the September. So this is how we can easily make or create this one. Just the maintenance here, you can see it's coming after the handover here. The reason, because I put a wrong date, I can reduce the date. Okay, then you can see it will be right here. Maintenance will start, the handover will finish, and the project will end. This is how we can create a project timeline very quickly and easily. Thank you for being with us. If any questions, I'll be available. Thank you so much.